What's up YouTube? I'm Adam. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. So as you can see, I'm sitting here in the garage, which is coming along really nicely. Not totally done, but I got some real progress going on. I just backed the Mustang out. We're going to take a run over to Cars and Coffee Oceanside. We have been there one time before. I think this is their 5th event this year, which is really cool. And like I've said before, we don't have that many Cars and Coffee events. So when we have one that's local and it's kind of run in a nice way, gotta support it. And the last time I was out there, there was a great group of cars there, a lot of cars actually, and hopefully today will be even better. So yeah, let's head on over there and check out some cars. So we had a really good time at Cars and Coffee today. And like I said, there aren't that many of these types of events going on around here. So when you find a good one, you definitely want to support it. So I hope you liked the video. A lot of good cars, a lot of cool people. And if you did, make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing to get all the latest content here on the channel. And that's about it over here. We're going to head home and I'll see you on the next one.
You didn't say hit that.